North Korea fired yet another ballistic missile overnight, part of an escalating series of tests. The newest missile was launched from the country's east coast. It flew about 280 miles before landing in the sea off the coast of Japan. The White House says President Trump has been briefed but has no other comment. Ben Tracy is in Beijing with the rising tensions in the region. Ben, good morning.
Good morning. This missile launched by North Korea appears to be a short-range ballistic Scud missile, and Japan says it could have easily hit an airplane or a ship in the area. So if anyone thought that pressure from the U.S. or even China would have slowed down North Korea's missile tests, that appears to be wishful thinking. North Korea has now conducted 9 missile launches this year, 3 in just the past 3 weeks. The latest comes after the country claimed its leader, Kim Jong-un, oversaw a successful test of a new anti-aircraft system this past weekend. Japan was quick to condemn the new missile launch, as was South Korea, whose new president has said he wants better relations with North Korea. Despite international sanctions, North Korea's capabilities continue to grow. Last week, the country said it perfected a medium-range solid-fuel missile that it would start mass producing. And earlier this month, it tested what is believed to be its longest-range missile yet, potentially capable of carrying a nuclear warhead, but still not able to reach the United States.
Ignition.
2014 was the last time the U.S. tested its West Coast missile defense system, which has only worked in about half of the trials. On Tuesday, the U.S. military will attempt to shoot down an intercontinental ballistic missile for the first time. The Trump administration has now sent 2 aircraft carriers to the Korean peninsula. But U.S. Defense Secretary James Mattis said on Face the Nation that a military conflict with North Korea would be catastrophic.
The North Korean regime has hundreds of artillery cannons and rocket launchers within range of one of the most densely populated cities on Earth, which is the capital of South Korea.
While North Korea continues these missile tests, it has not conducted a 6th nuclear test, which many people have expected. When we were in North Korea last month, I asked the vice foreign minister if they still plan to conduct that test, and he said Kim Jong-un will do it whenever he sees fit. Anthony?
Ben Tracy, thanks, Ben.